There's a half a potato if you want it.
Okay.
You might want to cook it today because they start cooking it. It'll be in the.
Got this bonnet on because I got my hair blown out, and I don't want it to get frizzy, so I put it up. So you just have to, you know, be okay with this. So I did this side of my face with this look, and I really like it. Like, I love it or whatever. And so I'm gonna show you how I did it on this side. So I'm using my 120 rainbow palette. And so let me just hop into it. And the first color I used was this one, right up hither. If you don't have this palette, I mean, like, you don't really have to follow the blues I'm using, but I used a bright light blue. I'm not using the first one. And I'm going to be using this pencil brush on the side. I'm gonna draw a line right here first. I'm gonna draw a line there, and then I'm gonna blend it out. I'm just gonna take it and I'm gonna draw it out here. And so I'm gonna take this brush and I'm going to use this blue. You can't really see the colors of them. They all look the same, but they're not. This one, so this one's darker than that one, but it's still okay. I have this tape here because this is also like half eyeshadow. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a line here, and it was like only half of my, well, not necessarily half, but I took out a chunk. And I don't really know if these are gonna be even or not, but okay, so now I'm gonna take this blue down here. Alright, so now I'm gonna take this brush right here. I'm gonna blend it out on the top. So I'm using this white light concealer. Ooh. Oh, he kills HR.
Yes, I love him.
He was the only like nice one.
Yes.
Like, all of them were either rude or just
Bossy.
yeah. I'm adjusting my blue, but now I'm taking a black and putting it right here with this brush, because you always use this brush for black. I don't know why. Really, Shannon?
Sorry. Okay. They give you this, and it's supposed to plug into your headphones. The 7 headphones that they give you, like this. What?
Wait, what?
Exactly. These aren't the headphones, but this is basically.
Oh
what
yeah,
it
the
is.
headphones are right here. Wait, how do you?
Exactly. Why would they give you this if they're gonna give you a charger?
Are you
like
sure
this?
that's what this is for?
Yes, I looked at a video.
And they got it in it?
No, they had a different charger. Like, are they just trying to make you buy more stuff?
Wait, I'm confused.
This is used to plug into your headphones. You plug your headphones in.
So is that like if you have like regular Apple headphones?
Yeah.
Okay, so that would be like my headphones.
They just want you to buy more headphones.
Cause I'm just like, what? Alright, so I added my concealer and I just went over the blue to make it look better, like that, and I put black here. And we're blending it out. Oh, what's going on? Okay, so after I do that, I'm gonna take. Where are my brushes? Where are my brushes? Wow. Couldn't even find any. Okay, so I'm gonna take this small shadow brush. This came from Sephora in number 15. It's like this. And I'm gonna take the other side of this out. That's the other half, the other 60. Okay, so now I'm gonna take this. The light's like in the way. There's a yellow right here. So I'm gonna take that. put it over the white concealer. It should make the color show up more. See how much that makes the color show up? Okay, now with my naked palette, I'm gonna use the color He Devil because I don't have like an orange, but you know, this is like red orange. Alright, and I'm going also back to the naked palette. I'm gonna use the color En Fuego and a little bit of ashes. So now I'm trying to go make this fast. I don't want my videos to be that long. Okay, so now I'm taking this right here and this white eyeliner. I'm going to go in the crease like I did for this eye. I don't know if you can tell, but there's like a crease of white right there. This side is not gonna turn out good, I can already tell. Okay, I'm messing up on this side, if you can tell. Bro, what the? Okay, so this side turned out trash, but whatever. Not really gonna fix it. We're just gonna take a picture from this side. And I'm gonna do the same thing. Oh wait, how many? Yeah, we're not gonna use this. We're gonna use the same thing I did before. I didn't use this before. Okay, so what I did was I took my eyebrow spoolie brush and I used the bottom part of it because it's a circle. And yeah. Dipped it in the bottom of the bottom. What am I saying right now? Do I even speak English? Crap, it's not showing up. Show! I feel like I can't count in my head. Alright, so I'm gonna do my face makeup off and I'm gonna come back. So as you guys realized that I didn't realize that I already put these, so I didn't put foundation, I just put on concealer. And some glow. I didn't even put on a highlight, I put glitter on my face. So yeah, festival ready. I'm not going to a festival, but well, I hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And I'll